Well, thank you so much for coming for our 6th ever Startup Showcase here in Miami. My name is Daniel Kleinman. I'm the founder and CEO of Seaworthy Collective, and we are so thrilled to have you here. And here with me is...
Hi, everybody. Thanks for making it out. I'm Tamara Khan-Zisman, the Founder Success Director here at Seaworthy. Thrilled to see you. This is a pretty neat venue, no?
We have such a special night ahead for you guys. This is not only our first cohort under our NOAA Ocean Enterprise Accelerators grant, but more importantly, this is our first time at this amazing venue outside, braving the elements, and fingers crossed it will stay this nice the rest of the night. And yeah, we can cheer for that. That is actually worth cheering for. Because I don't know about you guys, I had a lot of anxiety about the weather today. But anyway, most importantly, it's the first night that we're ever doing a collaborative activity at the end of the night that you're definitely going to want to stick around for. It's a way that we're going to ensure everyone here walks away with meaningful connections, both with our founders and fellow members of the community, as well as our alumni that you've hopefully got a chance to meet in the back. So a lot to look forward to. Let's get things started. So Seaworthy Collective, we are a Miami-based nonprofit supporting the earliest stages of founders driving innovation for ocean impact, or as we like to call it, BlueTech. And our mission is to bring all hands on deck for BlueTech, meaning making this field and sector accessible. You may have heard, we won a $14 million NOAA grant with our partners in the Continuum at the end of last year, cementing South Florida, Florida as a whole, and even all the way out to LA with our partners in Braid Theory, a nationwide ecosystem supporting a full spectrum of startups that we'll tell you more about in just a moment. But more importantly, when we look at the emerging opportunity in the blue economy, there's just so much momentum, with over $2 billion now globally in venture capital, and over 500 startups now, 50 of which we can say have come from Seaworthy. I'm going to throw it to Tamara to tell you more about our programs.
Yeah, I'm delighted to talk about our community programs, as you are all part of our community, and tonight you are part of that momentum that Daniel just mentioned. Our community programs started in 2020 with social hours and have since expanded into partnering with other organizations doing social events, and we always have our panels with our collaborators and featuring, of course, our founders. Hopefully you've attended some of them. If not, please subscribe to our newsletter, shameless plug, because you'll find out about other events that we're having. The point is that we're really trying to inform and empower anybody who is interested in supporting this vibrant blue economy. And the community programs, for me as Founder Success Director, really act as a force multiplier for our startup programs. We're able to work with our startups one-on-one, and we have a really unique approach of getting to know them and their needs and figuring out what we can pull out of our bucket that will fill or bridge their gaps, whether it's in experience or resources, connections, sometimes money. And having that community aspect, our network is our superpower, because we can expand and reach to any of you. I think that's really the point. We're creating tangible opportunities on both sides, for the startups who need your help and for the community that want to help.
So 5 years ago, we started with our very first cohort. Some of you may remember Kind Designs locally being part of that cohort. Since then, we've now supported, as of this cohort, 100 entrepreneurs over the last 5 years across 50 startups who've gone on to raise over $25 million in grants and investment, truly showing the opportunity both here and beyond for what a blue economy can look like. But even more so, we're so proud of the grassroots engagement we've driven with over 5,000 people that we've reached and educated on BlueTech over the last 5 years. And then the stat that arguably we're most proud of that we're formally introducing tonight is an 11x growth in homegrown startups. In our first 2 cohorts, we only had 2 local Florida-based startups, and over the last 3 years, we've supported 20. The ecosystem is truly blooming here for doing this kind of work, and we could not be prouder to be building that here in Miami and beyond. And as I started mentioning earlier, we are even prouder to be part of this national partnership called the Continuum. And this is, in my mind, the ultimate evolution of our vision for creating access to support at every stage of the founder's journey. And through our partners, Braid Theory, Ocean Exchange, St. Pete Innovation District, Tampa Bay Wave, University of South Florida, and World Ocean Council, we're able to offer them unprecedented access to networks, resources, opportunities, and programmatic support at every stage of the journey. There is no other partnership and collaboration to this scale and detail out there, and we could not be prouder of what we've built this year. And many of our partners are here in the audience, from Braid Theory, Ocean Exchange, St. Pete Innovation District, and more, and we're so proud to have you all. So with that, I'm going to invite you to scan this QR code, and I will show you why in a moment. We did a lot of work on the link trees for tonight to help set you all up for success in meeting our founders. Bottom line, we are so thrilled to have you all here to celebrate our 6th cohort, but more importantly, the culmination of 5 years of incredible work and 12 weeks of work, hard work and dedication for the founders that you're about to meet. Just to quickly walk you through, this is the link tree that you just scanned that QR code from. If you're looking to connect with any of the founders, both pitching tonight as well as over there in our alums, they are all on that third link to be able to connect with them. So click away. So with that, I want to say, are you guys excited to meet this latest cohort of 7 startups or what? Let's go. So first up, we have Sandy, who is the co-creator of our co-founder of our co-created startup, Viomar. The heart of Seaworthy is about making BlueTech accessible, and our co-created startup takes someone who came into the cohort, just an aspiring founder looking to get into the ecosystem, and over the past 12 weeks, we've been able to ideate, and Sandy has come up with something amazing. Sandy, over to you.